The excitement of picking up your new BMW might seem like it was only yesterday. While you've been enjoying driving your vehicle, its first MOT, due 3 years after registration, has been drawing nearer. But it's nothing to worry about. With BMW MOT Protect, BMW will help you through your first MOT. That means in the unlikely event of your vehicle needing work to pass its MOT, parts, repairs and labour are all taken care of by BMW free of charge. All you have to do is cover the cost of the MOT itself. There's a long list of electrical, lighting, steering and suspension items that are covered by MOT Protect. Meaning if there's a problem that needs attention, BMW will take care of it, so you can sail through your car's first MOT without any hassle. You'll have the peace of mind that all work has been carried out to BMW's high standards by highly qualified technicians using only genuine BMW parts. If your vehicle's first MOT is approaching, all you need to do is contact your BMW centre to book.